Miraculous ladybug, the Rangers started opening their new store and got a visit. Jen said, "Okay, let's bring this place to a shop to a whole new level. We're gonna sell some homemade clothes and a whole bunch of jams and everything. Let's get to it." Catherine said, "Yeah, let's do this." Some of us can get started on labeling the jams. Power. And then renders on it. Let's taste the jams first. Colin said, "Oh, I can be a cashier." As they were working, someone came in. Todd said, "It's just me. Does anyone work here?" Colin said, "Hi, I'm Colin, and I'm working here. Can I help you with anything?" Trevor said, "Yeah, we were hoping to buy something here." Jean said, "Well, you came to the right place. We are fully stocked. If you need anything, just let us know." And Tina, "I also work here." Nicole said, "What store is this?" Suddenly, someone bumped into Dustin. Dusty said, and she said, "Hey, watch it." Dustin said, "You bumped into me. Who are you?" "My name is MJ. I'm Jenna's sister. I work here." "Jimmy, Tina, I got some more jams." Nicole said, "Anyways, would you like to make an order for 10 cookies and 10 different jams?" Colin said, "Well, why don't you taste the jams first before you can make a decision?" Jenna said. Suddenly, Jenna came in. "We got some free samples. Free cookies and jams on it. Come and get it." Todd said, "Let me try one." "Whoa, that is one strong taste. What is it?" Jen said, "Kiwi and blackberry. This one is blueberry and lemon. And banana and this one is banana and cherries. I thought that mixing two fruits make us a better jam." "Trevor, would you like to try one?" Trevor said, "I'm sure." Whoa, that's strong taste.